Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Stellar Visions Oracle Cards, your guide to astrological and mystical power, a 53 card deck and guidebook by Stephanie Gailing, illustrated by Sosha Davis. This is published by Rockpoint, and it retails for $25.99 in the US and $18.99 in the UK and $34.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. Discover what's written in the stars. What does it mean if your Mercury is in the 5th house? And should you be nervous about that upcoming retrograde? Stellar Visions explains all these things and more so that you can develop your oracle intuition while furthering your knowledge of astrology. This captivating kit includes 53 enchantingly illustrated oracle cards to use alone or with a tarot deck, an insightful 128-page guidebook that shows how to use the cards for oracle guidance and astrological insights. So get ready to tap into your divinatory powers and deepen your knowledge of the stars to better understand yourself, others, and the world. All right. It is a bigger deck packaging, so I'm excited to see what is all in here. Oh, those cards are ginormous. Oh, I was not expecting that at all. Look at, they're the size of the book. Hold on. Holy cannoli. 4.5 inches wide, and we've got 6 inches high. Holy moly. All right. Well, I think this is one of the biggest size decks that I own so far. All right. I'm going to unwrap this plastic and I'll be right back. All right. So we're going to take a peek at the guidebook first to see if there's a specific way that we have to utilize this, or, you know, what is included in all of that. So we do have an introduction, and then we go into all of the oracle cards and their meanings, and then we have resources and a glossary. Astrology is a language infused with archetypes, transcendent principles that weave themselves across culture and gives us access to collective wisdom. Whether it's the moon representing the principles of nurturance, Sagittarius signifying the quest for exploration, the North Node offering insights into life purpose, or the multivalent realms represented by other astrological factors, this sacred art helps us explore the dynamic facets of the tapestry of life. In turn, they allow us to better understand ourselves, others, and the world around us. This is why Stellar Visions, based upon astrological archetypes, can be such a powerful resource when you're looking for guidance and insightful counsel, as it connects you not only to universal knowledge, but also to the wisdom that resides within you. It can help you refine your intuitive capacity and perceptive skills. The cards offer you several engaging ways to develop your stellar vision. You can use them for their oracular properties, turning to them when you want direction and illumination. They can serve as a resource to further your astrological knowledge. Additionally, you can use them as a focus for meditation, journaling, dream work, and more. Shuffle the cards as you see fit. Use them anytime you want clarification and inspiration for an oracle, whether you are embarking on a new chapter, in the midst of a turning point, or the culmination of a cycle. Okay, and then we have a 1-card pull, multi-card spreads. Very cool. Moon mapping. There's several ways to work with the cards, including a tool for learning more about yourself and your astrology chart. And then there's resources for finding a copy of your chart if you don't already have one. So visualizing your chart and understanding your chart. And then it goes into more of the information, and then the cards' meanings themselves. Awesome. Okay, cool. Let's get into this. I'm so sorry. These are just huge. I'm not used to that, but I'm really excited about it. The card quality is actually really nice. They're like more of a medium thickness. Still very flexible, snaps back. I'm excited to try to shuffle these bad boys. Really like the back here. It's a matte. Oh, I'm excited. All right, let's see. Oh, there we go. So we have sun, we have a keyword, and then look at the fun symbols. Awesome. Sun, radiance. Moon, emotions. I'm very excited about this. I love astrology decks. Mercury, communication. Beautiful artwork too. Venus, attraction. Mars, desire. Jupiter, growth. Saturn, discipline. Beautiful. Uranus or Uranus, freedom. Neptune, oneness. Pluto, transformation. Chiron, healing. Juno, partnership. Pallas, strategy. Vesta, devotion. North Node, purpose. South Node, tendencies. Aries, trailblazing. Taurus, sensual. I love that it gives you the planet that it rules, or the planet that rules the sign with it. That's really cool. Gemini, curious. I love that. Also gives you the constellation. Cancer, sensitive. Leo, creative. Virgo, I love it. Discerning. Libra, balanced. Scorpio, passionate. Sagittarius, exploratory. Capricorn, hardworking. Aquarius, altruistic. Pisces, fluid. First house, embodiment. Yeah, and then over in the left-hand corner, it gives you the symbol for what this is a part of, what section. Love that. And then we also have the number 2 over here. Second house, resources. Third house, learning. Fourth house, home. Fifth house, self-expression. Sixth house, well-being. Seventh house, relationships. Eighth house, intimacy. Ninth house, discovery. 10th house, career. 11th house, community. And 12th house, transcendence. Ascendant orientation. I see roots. Descendant, others. Gives you the spot on the chart there. Midhaven, mission. Conjunction, right over here. Union. Sextile, cooperation. Square, tension. Trine, ease. Opposition, polarity. Oh, we have moon phases now too. Awesome. So new moon, beginnings. Full moon, illumination. Eclipse, thresholds. And retrograde, review. So not all moon phases, but important ones. All right, I'm excited about this. This is really cool. I really love how it's laid out. Okay, so I'm gonna try to shuffle it side by side first because I feel like that might be my best chance. Oh, pleasantly surprised. Okay, and it's still bridges. Okay, cool. So let's try this way as well. Oh God, oh no, this is not happening for me. Yep, side to side it is. Okay. One time for good measure. Okay, and I do want to see if I can kind of do the overhand with this. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Oh, this is hilarious. This way works when you want to overhand, do it heights-wise. Okay, so we're going to read for the 12th house, Transcendence. So we have inspirations here. The closed chapters, transcend separation, connect to the numinous, and prioritize quiet and serenity. The oracle message here. It's time for completion rather than commencement. Finish chapters, tie up loose ends, and remember that endings are necessary to experience beginnings. Additionally, opt for a time out from your everyday life, taking a day off work, or going on a weekend getaway. Make sure that doing so affords you some quiet time, because not only will it be renewing, but the stillness will also help you discover feelings residing in your subconscious mind that want to be revealed. Also, when you pull the 12th house card, it's a powerful moment to tend to your spiritual side. Read sacred texts, meditate, pray, or undertake your favorite practices that connect you to the divine. Be inspired by the universal, corral the wealth of your compassion, and give to others as you would yourself. And then we have the astrology part. The 12th house is associated with transcendence, sanctuaries, and the sacred. This final house of the chart is quite mystical and numinous in that it's where we're called to dissolve our separate egos and connect with the infinite and eternal. It also signifies ancestral family inheritances as well as parts of ourself we've relegated to the subconscious. If brought to light, these can be great resources of power, although if they're not addressed, they may lead to our undoing. All right, and next we have an affirmation. I feel aligned with the universe. And then we have a stellar reflection question. How can I invite more serenity into my life? Oh, I love this. Okay, cool. So each little card here has the same layout for their meanings. Very cool. You get an oracle and astrological meaning. And then in the back, there's some resources and a glossary. I am very impressed. I think the artwork is beautiful. I think it's easy to kind of understand and pick up with your intuition and intuitive hits, as well as I like what is all on the card. So if you're trying to learn and trying to like hone all of the information in, this gives you a blueprint to do so, almost like flashcards. This is a ginormous deck, so shuffling is a little tricky if you're used to overhand shuffling like I am, but you can get the job done. It is not, it's just something that you got to get used to. But I think this is great, very beginner friendly. I love seeing the different depictions of astrology type decks because each one brings something different and unique to the table. And this one is just very cohesive. The design is great. And I feel like there's something for everybody in this. So I would love to know what your thoughts are. Do you own this deck? Is this something that you've worked with a lot? Is this something that's been on your wish list, or is this a pass for you? Do you prefer this deck over the other astrological decks? What are all your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.